Show MC Chinaman, the veteran. And next side of me that. A whole heap of side of me now. Live and direct my people. Oh, now go on with. I don't know, I'm not happy. Me just there and me not happy. To me is a type of gangster type of happy type of jovial, joyful type of youth where I love music. I mean I love here one set of music. I cannot full joy music listening to one set of music. I not tell no lie in a Jamaica here, or in a Jamaica here. Every party you go, or most party you go, you hear the same set of music them play. How the eye them full joy that daddy after we have so much music in a Jamaica to play? Hold on. The youth them will play the music. We call themselves DJ this and DJ that. Arse dead and cow fat and what. See? The man them will play the music who don't know DJ. So I'm telling you, wanna twist up the thing and turn around the thing for man. Bounty Killer, Louis Culture and them and they are DJ. The youth them will play the music. Who know a selector. Selector Tom, selector Harry, and selector on a selector call music on a select. How no feel they select music and I call on yourself DJ? No man. Me a veteran man, me no see it so. Original Chinaman from out of Prospect, Johnstown, Port Antonio, Portland, Jamaica to the world. Normal, a lie. Hot topic in a daddy. You know when veteran come, I must something hot and yo, hot. You wanna big up all of my ladies them, you know me not left out. You love to all the ladies throughout the world. I could have Egypt, love all of the Egypt woman them, but just love the woman them straight. And big up my brother them, yeah? Mad thing, you know, cause woman them I deal with my main objective that's in a daddy. So the them see where me I come from, down. One year, when we got the party them, my friend, it hurt me. Cause me I hear the same set of tune. Right now, Mr. Man, me have a little music, you know. Me have a little sound name, Ghetto Thunder record me play. No sound, no sweet as my sound when me I drop the sweet 45 then. Cause no laptop, no thumb drive, no CD, no disc. Can't play sweet like the 45 them on the turntable then. Like me I tell. Then can't play sweet like the 45 them on the turntable them daddy. See them all about now my rooming up here. We want to hear back some old school music man from when we are youth. And we want to hear back some either we don't have the tune them and we don't know them, or we don't have them and we don't play them. They are them to change up the selection them man and give you some different set of selection. You have some party we go on all in a Portland and enough more like a village. Regular. You got to hear the same set of music. With a full joy party that way daddy. After a billion different record for play and tune for play. The man them a hold back the tune them. Why hear some more? Oh cheerio, baby. Can't you see I'm in love with you? Some of them old school there. So you pitch there, hanging on the wall, and my heart cries out. Know that you're gone. You got to be there. Hey, more hear back some of the whole tune there. More hear some tune like, well, it must be a dopey or a gunman. I never stopped to see. Harry was a boy to Iman last night. He couldn't follow me. Well, it must be a dopey. You know them tune there. More hear back some of them tune them, man. But play up the tune them, man. All of the party them on the touch some whole tune, man. Can all age group come a party, you know. So when I say me selector youth, we call yourself DJ. Stop calling yourself DJ, man. When a selector. You see me? So we want to hear some tune like all, if you want to hear double laugh, come a Riverside Sunday morning. Said if you want to hear double laugh, come a Riverside Sunday morning. You remember that one there? Man up he laugh, hi. And woman up he laugh, ke. More hear some old school. More hear some tune like Uncle Benji in the yard. Sit down pan a stone, spanna na na na. Him no check for the festival, make the float them go on. Spanana, when this a version drop in I'm head, from I was born, I never see so much people burn them finger fi eat roast can. I see him thing me I tell you now. Me say fi, play the music, play the music, play the music sweet. Smoke your pipe and feel alright, but play the music sweet. Anything you do, music have to play sweet. So why you back some of my old school? Hey, yeah, you mean old school, you know. That not say you know, you not to play the new tune. But why hear some tune on having a record box a whole for many years. Why hear them from after today unless you don't know them. I am the veteran. Hot topic. Yo, change up on the selection, man. I make them say we have style. We have whole heap of different type of music and you only play one set of music, daddy. Yeah, hear me family? We not full joy music, so. So if you don't want to enjoy it, you don't go enjoy a full joy. Veteran TV to the world. Hot topic, daddy. Music we are talking about, you know. Bring back some old school in the party, them, daddy. Chill. Yo, hold on for a topic. Like, right now, a ball, no car. Yeah, hear me? Yo, the idea for us play all kind of tune, whole heap of different type of tune. That's some me full joy tune. Enough people do it, but we can't talk to no. Because we don't play them. We'll play the right thing, daddy. And play the nice thing, daddy. And cut out some of the slackness tune them to daddy and play more reality music, fam. Play all of the music them, but play more educational music to some youth. Because remember the youth them follow the music, you know. Versus certain DJ drop a tune like Louis Culture, Baltic Killer, all one of them big artists that drop a tune now, you know. I could have popcorn, you know, the youth them a follow it. So I could do some positive things. Because the artists them send the message through to the people of the world. And anything the artists them say, I saw the people them are working on that. So why you back some good old original authentic Jamaican reggae music in the place? Old school. You see me? Bongo Natty, down a race course, I sell roast can. Sure, yo, me want hear some old school music, people. Don't talk here, sir.